Welcome back, guys. Okay, last episode, I created this message board or letter board, whatever you want to call it. So if you want to see how I transform this piece of art into this now letter / message board, check that video out. But today, guys, I want to finally create the letters for this message board. Okay, guys, I hope y'all can see it. First step I'm going to do is measure the space. Now, each space is not perfect, but it's showing, can y'all see, that it's like 3 inches. So I'm going to make the letters about two, a little less than 3. I don't know the exact measurements, because why? I hate rulers, okay? Thanks. So I'm just going to eyeball it and just make it a little bit less than 3 once I get to my computer. Okay, for my letters, I will be using transparency film and my laser printer. Now, if you do not have either one of these items, I think you can also use a laminator with, plain copy paper. Or you could use self-adhesive lamination sheets to complete this project. But like I mentioned, this is what I will be using. Okay, guys, I'm not going to do an Illustrator tutorial, but I'm just showing you guys what I'm using to set up my letters. So I divided my page. I'm using an 8.5 by 11 landscape to do my lettering. I divided the page into 3 so I can have the width, yeah, not the width, the height of the letters that I want. And so I already put my letters on there on my message. And so these are the letters I'm going to use. So instead of doing individual letters, I'm just going to do the message itself as a whole and cut it in 3s. And then slide it on my letter board. I think that's the quickest way and the easiest for at this moment. So there you go, guys. And you can use any kind of similar program. They have a lot of programs online or on the internet for free, but I'm using Illustrator. Okay, guys, after I printed out my letters and used my awesome cutting board, yeah. Then this is my finished product. Y'all, I really, really love it. Now, if I had to change anything, I probably would make my letters actually a little bit bigger. But for the most part, oh yes, I like it. So I think the next time also, I'm going to space out my letters more too. I'm going to still probably keep it whole, but just before I print it, make sure the spacing between each individual letter is a little. But other than that, booyah, what you want. I love it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, because I promise you more DIYs are to come in upcoming home decor makeover videos. So until next time, guys, deuces.